We're here at MOA. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Is she awake?
Yeah.
How come both of them? They are not sleeping.
She took a little nap in the car.
What is it with you and
Hi.
this thing?
What? It matches the outfit. Everybody made it?
I do.
Jump in. Insert yourself.
The only person who hasn't found us yet is Uchina. He's still texting, where are y'all? Where's my baby? Where's your siblings and... You made it? Oh, really?
Remember to have brought it.
That's
I
okay.
didn't figure that you have a stroller to put it in.
Yeah. So Chidima, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Feel good? Okay, good. Thank you for that. Amaka, how are you feeling today?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
I'm excited.
That's good. Both of you have gorgeous hair.
Thank you.
Luscious, both of you. Keep it up, you know, maintained and well maintained and everything. Keep it up. Uzo Chuku, how are you feeling today?
Feeling good.
Feel good. Amarachi, how do you feel today? How do you feel today?
I feel good. Here we are in Mall of America with family having fun. I am so excited. I wish we could stay longer and just continue to have fun. Yay!
When do you go back to Maryland?
We go back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
I want to stay longer with my family, my beautiful family. See everybody here who've been eating, drinking, games, singing. It's been fun.
How are you feeling today, Isaac? Where's Safa?
At home.
At home? Okay.
I have my neighborhood.
Okay.
I'll bring her every other time I can, though.
That's true, that's true, that's true, that's true. Okay.
That's white.
Okay, good. We'll be awaiting. We'll be waiting for the official stuff. Dancing, dancing, baby. Adama. Adama. Hi.
Anyway,
How do you feel?
good.
Good?
There's air coming. It feels really good.
I was worried it's gonna be too cold in here. That's what I was thinking, but it's not bad.
No, it feels good.
How do you feel?
Great. I don't know when next this is going to happen.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah. Hi, Chimera. Hi. Hi, Chizara.
Sarah, come and say hi. Over here.
Photo.
Get out of here, man.
I'm mewing.
Is that what
Mewing, is that what that is? I'm gonna ask one of the kids what that is. You gotta do the mewing. Old man over here, he doesn't know what mewing is. What is this called?
Skin?
Okay, have you heard of mewing?
Oh.
How do you do mewing?
I don't want to do that.
That's not it? What is this? Is it a bad thing?
No, it's not a bad thing. I just don't want to do it.
Okay, thank you.
You should ask your mom.
I should ask Amaka, does she know how to do it? Okay, I'm gonna ask Amaka. I might get something later. Hi, mommy.
Is this thing not covering her face?
Hi, You can't bring ice cream in there though. Are you gonna throw it away? You think money grows on trees? Look at this. Okay, Cherry, you riding this one? Cheese, are you riding this one? You can't bring your ice cream in there though.
Whoa, that's high.
It is high.
It's very high.
Indy, what is
I'm
that?
gonna like it. Oh.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun.
The SpongeBob one is way worse.
Were you scared?
Were you ever scared? I was not scared. And it was just her. Oh my God, were you recording?
Yeah, was that good?
Dream. I never want to do that ever again.
Really?
I love that ride. It's fun.
Usha, did you like it?
Fun.
Good?
My heart drops. I don't want to. Can you take her on?
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Those questions were outrageous. I thought it was gonna be like, who built the ark? It wasn't even anything like that.
I was gonna say you guys didn't know a lot either. So you can feel better.
Yeah, you guys didn't know.
Hello? Junior Nangano. Okay, I know Nangano. Okay.
This is Grandma at Mall of America. MOA. I got it. Adama is taking a photo with Grandma at MOA, but she's refusing. Oh no, Dad, she doesn't want to. She doesn't want to. It's not by force. I already got it. We already got it. Leave her.
Some kids, when you cry, then they stop crying.
I know. So
Hey, Meshala. Hey, Adama. Hey, real tears. So finally, anyone have anything else they would like to say? Anything else that you would like to say?
Happy birthday, Dad.
She's gonna take Grandma, no?
Indy? You can? Does she want to? Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Okay, stand
She's
up.
like, no, I don't want to do this.
You want to stand up? Okay, stand up.
Indy's gonna take a dive for it any second now. Yay!
Good job.
Everybody, almost everybody at the food courts. Oops, sorry. Hi, Indy. Do you have anything you want to say? Final thoughts?
It was fun.
It was fun. Final thoughts?
It was okay.
It was okay. Final thoughts? Come again? Final thoughts? It was fun? I like it. These are the big kids over here.
Hi.
Did I interrupt your conversation? Sorry. Final thoughts? Any final thoughts?
Nice day.
Nice day. Final thoughts?
It was really fun, and Zion went on the Fairly Odd Parents ride, which is crazy, and I went on the SpongeBob, which wasn't actually scary at all.
Okay, very good. Final thoughts?
I should start Googling more about things I want to do before I get to.
Okay, and
Lontron. Good.
also can y'all mew? Can y'all do the mewing thing? Can you do the mewing thing? What's mewing? She'll show us the mewing, okay. You're not gonna show us the mewing? What's mew? What is mewing? Okay, I mean, I guess. There you go, there it is. I don't know if I can hear anything you're saying, but. Yeah. Say hi to your friend grandma.
Hola, querida. ¿Cuánta quiere la querida? Hola, querida.